Happy Thursday morning at Meineke Cinnaminson. Yoo-hoo. Supposed to get some snow today. Let's see. Anyway, so I'm doing a used car reconditioned oil and safety inspection. His complaint was rear suspension noise. The shocks, the upper shock boots were worn out here, so we put a set of shocks in. There was also a noise from the rear brake job that someone recently did. And let me show you what they neglected to do. Let me turn off this fan so you can actually hear this. What's up? So when you applied the brakes, it was squeaking. And I probably can't mimic the exact thing that was happening, but the rotor has a little movement in it, and from the brake pads not being greased, it was actually squeak, 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 squeak. So if they would have greased this when they did the brake job originally, guess what? This probably wouldn't have happened. But brake pads and sliders do need to be maintained. So even though that you think your brakes are all good, depends on the area you live, climate, conditions, they do need to be lubricated, maintained, and inspected properly. Not just a visual inspection or a road test. That's not a true brake inspection. It's technically maintenance. So if they don't do it right the first time, that means you need to come back sooner than later. Just like the old brake drums, they had automatic adjusters, but they weren't very effective or efficient. You had to come back for a clean and adjust every once in a while. But yeah, so Caleb or Angel is going to pull this apart and put some lubricant on here. You can actually see the rust spot right there where it's been moving and wearing it away. Thanks for watching.